feliz com seu país. Seja feliz sem raiz. Seja feliz.
My name is Luiz Valdijão. I'm from São Paulo. And when I was a little boy, I was like 6 or 7 years old. And I used to watch television and to see movies. And at that time, who was I seeing in the movies? Fred Astaire and Jenny Kelly and Shirley Temple and Bilbo Jungle and all these tap dancers. And I was watching and was moving, trying to imitate them and try to tap dance in front of the television, but I didn't know what to do. But I think I became in love with tap dance at that time. And I got university. I studied at Universidade de São Paulo. And I got a degree as an agricultural engineer. And when I was in the last year of the college, and I used to live in another city, not in the same city where my family used to live. Then I have to live in a place which we call in Brazil República. It's where some students rent a house and they live together. In the last year of the college, this dance studio opened by my place, the place I used to live, and they taught tap dance, tap classes. And I decided, at that time, I was 21, going on 22, then I decided to start taking tap dance classes. And that was the beginning. Then my teacher, like after 2 or 3 months of classes, she told me, "You are very good." Bahia means fun, means dance, means happiness. And I was going to live there. Then I started taking dance classes and capoeira and acting classes and all these things. And when my contract got ended and I came back to São Paulo, I decided to become a tap dancer. And I went to New York City, and then I got a scholarship in New York City, and then I was living there, and then I got in contact with the universe of tap dance and with good teachers. And then I saw from where tap dance came, and I talked to many people, and I saw differences, because the tap dance which I was exposed when I was 6 or 7 and I was a kid, this tap dance from the movies, it's totally different from the real tap dance from the streets and from the beginning of the tap dance. Then I could see all these things, and I got interest for this rhythm tap. What is to work and to play with the sounds. The most important thing is the sounds of the feet, and not the body movement or the dance. Then I came back and I started a dance company, a tap dance company, and a tap studio, a tap dance studio, which I was teaching and things. And then I developed my own way of teaching and my own way of choreographing, and also putting on the stage my culture through the tap dance. What would our black people in Brazil would do with the tap dance? And in Brazil, a poor country, we are from the third world, and the black people are now start getting different positions in society, but most of them are poor and they live in poor neighborhoods. and many times they are exposed to dangerous situations. And we have in Brazil some organizations called ONGs, and then I was invited, I was invited for this organization, Associação Beneficente Campineira, to start working as a TAP teacher.
A ABC é uma instituição da Igreja Metodista Central de Campinas e esse ano ela vai completar 62 anos de existência. A ABC atua na periferia da cidade de Campinas, numa área de extrema vulnerabilidade social. O sapateado ele ocupa um lugar de destaque, porque ele desperta muito interesse e também pelas oportunidades que ele oferece para as pessoas.
It means 11 years ago, and I thought, but these kids, they have never seen tap dance. How can I go there and just start asking them to practice, to do something that they don't know about? Then we did like this, we invited the kids to see a show, a tap dance show, with my students from the other part of the city. Then they came and they watched. Then they saw tap dance. Then I came to the institution, here, this place, and I brought some shoes for the kids, and I brought the tap dance from the stage, which they have seen, close to them. And they put the shoes and they start making noise the way they want. I just let them do whatever they want. And then in the end of this moment, I just asked them, who wants to learn how to do this? And then all of them said, yeah, I want. Then we started like this.
Sapateado!
In TAP, if you're not paying attention, you make mistakes. Then it's important to pay attention to the teacher. We learn a lot of things, and the more you learn, the more you become a great tap dancer. TAP can change our lives, but it's important to keep practicing. TAP is cool because the teacher is fun and makes us laugh. Every weekend, I watch videos on YouTube. At the beginning, I thought tap was boring because I could not make the movements very well. Nowadays, I keep paying close attention and I get it. My brother helps me at home to fix the step. I know that I have to move on, get on my goal, that is to become a professional tap dancer.
Nem no cinema, não, nem em Ipanema, não, no circo, não. Hoje eu não saio, não. Hoje eu vou ficar em casa, neném. Hoje eu não saio, não. Quero ver televisão.
I use tap dance as a tool for them to become better and to get opportunities. Not only as a technical kind of dance, also because I also work teaching them how to do the right way of getting sounds and how to say a shuffle step or whatever. And some of them, like after 11 years, some of them are professionals and they are working as tap teachers. I have a tap dance company, a professional tap dance company, and we perform all over the country and then go on stage and they can earn their money teaching or performing. What I mean is they can become professionals if they want to.
Luis started a group with the students more talented. The idea of the group was to show what we have been doing here at ABC through performances. The number of dancers are between 6 and 14 people. Many of them gave up, but some persist in pursuit of their dreams. Since I was 9, more and more my interest grew by tap. That helps me at school because I used to be very aggressive to my friends. I always watched the stage of my friends. Soon Luis invited me to tap with advanced level.
Then it's very useful for them to practice paying attention, to practice doing things together, to practice listening what the other the friend is doing, or because I have to get the same sound with the group when we are in group.
The tap came to take away the shyness of the children. They get relaxed. Also works posture, behavior, respect for others. My daughter is called Jessica Nayada. She came to ABC when she was 80 years old and started to take classes with tap dance Luis Baldijan. The first presentation was at age 9. Since then, she has never stopped until today. She had the opportunity to travel and in 2011 she was presenting in Washington on DC Tap Festival. I have been working here for 13 years as a cook, and the children are very fond of tap dancing, hardly missing. The teacher also draws the attention of children, play with them, develops physically and psychologically. It's a very rewarding job for us and the kids.
Hoje eu não saio não, hoje eu vou ficar em casa, meu bem. Hoje eu não saio não, eu quero ver televisão. Hoje eu não saio não, não troco meu sofá por nada, meu bem. Hoje eu não saio não, não quero ver a multidão. Lá no boteco não, teleboteco, no trio elétrico não, teatro não, não vou no esquema não, nem no cinema não, nem em Ipanema não, no circo não.
Now we have this invitation to bring 5, they are not kids anymore, but we call them kids, 4 boys and Jessica, to go to LA, Los Angeles. It's an international tap festival, which Jason Samuel Smith is the director, and we are working. Today is the May 25th, and today is the International Tap Dance Day. The world is celebrating the birthday of Bilbo Jean Robinson, and I'm very happy that we are making this movie, this film today. And I believe we will find this money because we are really working hard to get these 5 air tickets and money for them to work and also and everything, and they also be performing. And this is the time for the world to see what Brazilian kids, poor Brazilian kids, can do if they have one little opportunity. To tap dance is to make our heart beat in the tip of her toes. Then tapping for me, and it's what I wish for everyone, is let your heart talk through your feet.